DTF-6007 Turbo. Redefining speed and efficiency in industrial DTF printing. More than just a printer, this is a production engine, custom-built for garment factories and large-scale customization businesses. Equipped with 7 Epson I3200 printheads, it reaches a staggering speed, shattering production bottlenecks. The rugged industrial frame, combined with fully automated workflows, ensures exceptional stability and color precision, even under high-intensity operations. Choose the DTF-6007 Turbo and secure your lead in a market where every second counts. 1. Ultimate productivity. 7 Epson I3200 printheads. Top-tier industry hardware with 7 heads working in sync to push printing efficiency to its peak. 60 square meters an hour. Ultra-high speed. Double the speed of standard models, easily handling rush orders and large-scale demands while significantly shortening delivery cycles. Industrial ink supply system. Upgraded high-capacity ink tanks provide ample reserves, eliminating the need for frequent refills during long-duration, high-speed printing. Air expansion, shaft tension feeding, and take-up system. Both feeding and rewinding are upgraded with air expansion shafts controlled by precision tension sensors, ensuring stable media movement without deviation during continuous operation. Upgraded oven length. An extra-long drying tunnel specifically designed to match the curing rhythm of high-speed printing. Matched curing speed. Upgraded industrial motors ensure that hot melt powder cures perfectly even at high speeds. Finished products dry instantly without sticking, offering a soft touch and more expressive colors. Built-in dual purification system. No filter replacement needed and takes up 0 extra space. Features reserved interfaces for external purification equipment, offering high flexibility. 2. Intelligent maintenance. Minimizes manual upkeep and extends printhead lifespan, keeping the system in peak condition at all times. White ink circulation system. Effectively prevents sedimentation and clogging, ensuring uniform white ink jetting for prints that are soft to the touch and stretch-resistant. Carriage baseplate heating. Maintains ink fluidity and jetting stability even in low-temperature environments. Multi-printer management, MPM. Enables a single computer to manage multiple DTF printers, an essential tool for large-scale factories. 3. Industrial reliability. Built for 24/7 operation. Reinforced heavy-duty frame. Features a durable industrial body structure that maintains high stability during long-term, high-load operations, reducing the impact of vibration on precision. Uninterrupted operation. Specifically designed for long-cycle printing tasks with high-capacity ink support, significantly reducing downtime and meeting continuous production demands. 4. Engineered for expansion. Tailored industrial solutions. Designed for enterprises upgrading from traditional workshops to modern factories, providing consistent, high-quality mass production. Consistent performance. Even under high-volume demands, it guarantees vibrant colors and sharp details, ensuring every meter of output meets industrial standards. DTF-6007 Turbo, powering extreme productivity in the name of industry.